So if we have a triangle with our exterior angles highlighted, we can just slide them together, right? So it's gonna equal 360
Whoa!
degrees.
Wow!
Huh?
How's that? That's freaking cool! Blows my mind.
Doesn't matter what shape it is. Doesn't matter if it's regular or if you make the angles real small or big. Okay? You can always kind of drag them along. And it's still going to make that circle.
How does that work? How's that even freaking magic?
Okay?
No, not
One more.
that.
On our pentagon. This is like the one you did on paper. You cut out your exterior angles. Split them all together. Still a circle.
Go backwards, go backwards, go backwards, go backwards.
So,
Go backwards.
yes. Got our triangle. So you move it around and make it bigger, smaller. But how? Because the triangle is like 180 of them. So when we're drawing our exterior angles, we have to go in the same direction. You either have to go all clockwise or all counterclockwise. No, backwards for you. So if you pick one direction, you gotta stick with it the entire time.
Yep.
Okay? It doesn't matter if you want to go the opposite direction. Ooh, that was really nice.
You do that backwards. Wait, I'm confused. It doesn't matter.
It can go either way.
Does it matter if it
I
goes
thought
backwards?
she just. Oh, for a square.
If I did all of those backwards, it's okay.
No, but.
What do you notice about from the triangle, that exterior angle
It's larger than mine.
versus our quadrilateral?
That one's 90 degrees, that one's more than 90 degrees.
Yep, so this one is obtuse on our triangle, our quadrilateral. It gets smaller. Not necessarily 90 degrees. When would it be 90 degrees?
If it's a square
If it's a square
or a rectangle.
Perfect.
or a rectangle. So if our quadrilateral has 90 degree angle. Okay? For our pentagon. Okay, as long as you go in the same direction. Get a little closer. It's okay. Now, what about our pentagon exterior angle versus our quadrilateral?
Smaller.
It's acute. It's getting even smaller.
So we're adding more sides, but each time we do that, what's happening to the exterior angle?
Angles
It's
smaller.
smaller.
Yeah, so it's like proportional. It kind of balances out, right?
On our octagon, they're gonna get even smaller.
That was a good one. That was really good.
I'm not shaving it off, right?
Okay? So that exterior angle gets even smaller. What if you had like a 20 gone?
It'd be
It'd
like,
be like really tiny.
not even less than like hair.
Do you remember that one from the front side of your sheet?
46.
The 17 gone? That made it look like it was almost a circle?
Yes.
That exterior angle got really, really small. That's why it started looking circular.
So eventually, what's it?
The last lesson we had the Polygon interior angle sum theorem, and what did that say about the interior angles?
Equal 180.
Equals 180. So now with our exterior angle sum theorem, we are on the exterior, right? What if we're given an interior angle?
It's gonna be supplementary.
You should know.
They're supplementary, right? So our interior angle and our exterior angle are a, what's it called when they make a line?
Adjacent.
They are adjacent.
They are adjacent.
Linear.
They're linear pairs.
Hey. I'm on fire.
Okay, so this one's in your notes. So it kind of lays it out for us. So find the value of x in our diagram. So what are we going to set it equal to?
360.
360. What if it was an octagon?
360.
What if it was a nonagon?
360.
What if it was a dodecagon?
360.
Always 360. Okay, so we're going to add up each of our exterior angles and have it equal to 360. So they give us x degrees. We have 89 degrees, 2x degrees, and 85. Combine like terms, how many x's do we have? 3. What's 89 plus 85?
74.
74. Still equal to 360.
Minus 174.
Minus 174. So it skips a step on your notes. So put that in. So 360 minus 174. Divide by 3 to get x by itself. And x is 62 degrees.
Wow.
What if the directions told us to find the value of each angle?
So you
how
have to plug
I'd
it
take
in.
the
You need to plug it in.
You just plug it in. So this angle
100
is just nice and easy because it was x degrees.
124.
And this one would be 124 degrees.
100.
And at the bottom, find the exterior angles of a regular octagon. What are the important words in this?
Exterior. Regular.
Got it. Exterior and regular. So what does regular tell us about the angles?
They're equilateral and equiangular.
Equilateral, equiangular. So they're all going to be equal. So the exterior angles always add up to
360.
360 degrees. And we can divide that by how many angles there are. How many angles are in an octagon?
8.
Always the same as the side, right? So we have 8 and that in. Triangle of 360 divided by 8. 45.
I did the right thing.
We have 45 degrees.
Bless you.
What are our important words on this one?
Interior.
Exterior angles.
Regular. 18.
And regular. And then we have 18 degrees. Okay? So we have 360 degrees no matter what polygon it is.
Would it be a 22?
It's not on your notes, just do it on the side somewhere. And you can divide it by how many degrees to find how many angles there are. We have 18 degrees. It's 20 sides. We label up 20-sided polygon as
Polygon.
a 20gon.
Come on.